Just working on our 66 289 today, and previous video we put the timing chain and timing cover and water pump on, and today we're putting on a new oil pump. Just kind of wanted to go over just a couple little things when addressing oil pumps. One thing that I like to do, especially with a stock engine, stock builds, is don't fall for the high volume, high pressure pumps. In my experiences, they've had a tendency of causing your rear main seals to leak on these. These seals are not designed for high pressure, high pump applications, so you typically want to stay away from that. So we're putting in a new brand new standard volume, standard pressure pump here. And you know, kind of one thing to note is you have your oil pump shaft, which is right here. Now these things originally will have what I like to call a little basket on the top, and what that is for is to prevent it from pulling out in the event that you ever have to remove the distributor, and that little basket will keep it from pulling all the way out, and thus falling down into your pan, which is, you know, not a good day. So this little shaft is going to ride right up in here when you install the oil pump. See if we can get a good view of the hole, but it goes all the way up into the top there, where you can see the hole there, and that's where we're right there. That's where the distributor is going to mount on top, and it's going to drive the oil pump shaft. So anyways, as always, make sure your gasket surfaces are clean, and we'll get this sucker mounted up. So I put the shaft in first, and I try to guide that all the way up. By the way, the gaskets on these, I typically do not use silicone. Okay, new oil pump is on. I also used a new pickup screen. I like to do that. They are very cheap, so you can also reuse them. It's nothing wrong with reusing them. Just make sure they're thoroughly cleaned. Oil pump shaft is in, and as you can see, it is up in the hole. The basket right there will prevent that from pulling up and out of the pump if you pull the distributor, and sometimes they have a tendency to stick in the distributor and thus pull out and fall into your oil pan. So that's it for today. Next step will be to install the oil pan. Thanks for watching.